Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2002 Honda CR250R two-stroke motocross race bike. This bike is in really fantastic condition. It's got brand new 38 millimeter key and carburetor, Boysen reed valve with new reeds, new air filter, new chain and sprockets. Got brand new grips, aftermarket shifter, FMF, full exhaust, just repacked. Come by, make your two-stroke dreams come true with this green sticker, Honda CR250R for just $34.99. There is no financing available. This is going to be a cash bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.